3 times 9 equals 27. I have no idea what's going on here. This riddle is beyond me.
You know, real challenging riddles are based on giving the least amount of information. And usually you'll take a week to really start to try and crack the riddle. Remember when Samson did that?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we don't have a week, so I'm going to go ahead and bust the riddle for us.
Okay.
But let me do so by pointing back first to last week's episode. We talked about the infinitude of God, the infiniteness of God. And we really, really brought out to the subscribers of ours how we always tend to think of the infinitude of God in the direction of big.
Yes.
And we rarely, if ever, think about the infinitude of God in the other direction, which would be micro.
Infinitely small.
Infinitely small. And we made our boast that our God is small.
Yeah.
That was a great time.
Yeah.
So what our conclusion was that we were examining on the micro end seed and how Jesus came into the world as a seed.
Yes.
And that in that seed, the fullness of the Godhead bodily dwelt. All the fullness.
Yes.
We also took a look at the Bible and how the Bible came as a seed as well. Because of their ability to come small, it escapes us.
Yes.
We don't realize that. Therefore, in our midst, it's not until the growth starts taking place that we start to realize something is happening. Well, that's the way Jesus came, and that's the way the Bible came, as a seed. So getting back to our riddle, 3 times 9 equals 27, because today we're going to talk about growth.
Okay.
Seeds last week. What comes from seeds? Growth. That's what we're going to talk about. 3 times 9 equals 27. The 3 and the 9 are the 39 books of the Old Testament. 3 times 9 emerges the 27 books of the New Testament.
Wow. That's a good riddle.
39, 3 times 9 makes the way for the 27 to come forward, the New Testament growing out of the Old Testament.
That is phenomenal.
That's our God.
Yes.
And that's our King James Bible.
Yes.
That is our King James Bible.